About గురించి we are talking about health. Above పైభాగంలో the fan is above the table. Across దాటి she walked across the road. After తర్వాత we went home after class. Against ఆనుకుని the chair is against the wall. Along వెంట they walked along the river. Among మధ్యలో he sat among his friends. Around చుట్టూ kids ran around the park. At వద్ద I am at home. Before ముందు wash your hands before eating. Behind వెనుక the cat is behind the door. Below కింద the shoes are below the bed. Beneath దిగువన the box is beneath the table. Beside పక్కన sit beside me. Between మధ్య the ball is between the chairs. Beyond దాటి the village is beyond the hills. By ద్వారా I came by bus. Down కిందికి she ran down the stairs. During సమయంలో do not talk during class. Except తప్ప everyone came except Ravi. For కోసం this gift is for you. From నుండి I am from India. In లో the pen is in the box. Inside లోపల stay inside the room. Into లోపలికి he jumped into the water. Like లాగా she sings like a bird. Near దగ్గర my school is near my house. Of యొక్క a cup of tea. Of నుండి దూరంగా take your shoes off. On మీద the book is on the table. Onto మీదకు the cat jumped onto the roof. Opposite ఎదురుగా the bank is opposite the hospital. Out బయటకు go out now. Outside బయట wait outside the room. Over పైగా the plane flew over the city. Past దాటి walk past the shop. Since నుండి I know her since childhood. Through గుండా we walked through the forest. Throughout అంతటా it rained throughout the day. Till వరకు wait till evening. కు go to school. Toward వైపు he walked toward me. Under కింద the bag is under the chair. Underneath కింద భాగంలో the keys are underneath the pillow. Until వరకు stay here until Sunday. Up పైకి climb up the ladder. Upon పై once upon a time. With తో I went with my friend. Within లోపల finish within an hour. Without లేకుండా do not go without shoes. According to ప్రకారం according to the teacher, the exam is tomorrow. Ahead of ముందు he walked ahead of me. Apart from తప్ప apart from English, she knows Telugu. As for విషయానికి వస్తే, as for me, I agree. Because of కారణంగా, the match stopped because of rain. Close to దగ్గరగా, my house is close to the school. Due to కారణంగా, the train was late due to fog. Far from దూరంగా, the village is far from the city. Instead of బదులుగా, drink juice instead of soda. Next to పక్కన sit next to me. In front of ముందు, the car is in front of the house. In spite of ఉన్నప్పటికీ, he came in spite of illness. On behalf of తరఫున I spoke on behalf of my team. Out of బయటకు, she came out of the room. Prior to ముందు, finish the work prior to Monday. Thanks to వల్ల, thanks to your help, I passed. According is అనుసరించి, do according as I say. Away from దూరంగా, keep away from fire. Contrary to విరుద్ధంగా, contrary to rumors, he is fine. Depending on ఆధారపడి, success depends on hard work. Except for తప్ప except for Ravi, all attended. In addition to అదనంగా, in addition to tea, we bought snacks. In case of సందర్భంలో, call me in case of emergency. In place of బదులుగా, use honey in place of sugar. In search of వెతుకుతూ, they went in search of water. In view of దృష్ట్యా, in view of rain, the match stopped. On top of పైభాగంలో, the bag is on top of the shelf. Owing to కారణంగా, owing to traffic, I was late. With regard to సంబంధించి, we discussed with regard to exams. Along with తో పాటు, she came along with her sister. Apart from that అదనంగా, apart from that, nothing happened. As per ప్రకారం, as per rules, wear uniform. Aside from తప్ప aside from cricket, he likes football. By means of ద్వారా, he travelled by means of train. By way of ద్వారా, they entered by way of the back gate. In accordance with అనుగుణంగా, work in accordance with rules. In comparison to poliste, this phone is better in comparison to that one. In favor of Anukulanga, they voted in favor of the plan. In need of avasaramlo, the patient is in need of blood. In respect of Sambandhinchi, we spoke in respect of fees. In return for Pratifalanga, he gave money in return for help. In terms of Paranga, in terms of quality, this is best. In the middle of Madhyalo, he slept in the middle of class. On account of Karananga, school closed on account of rain. On the basis of Adharanga, selection is on the basis of marks. Out of reach Andani, the book is out of reach. Up to Varaku, I studied up to midnight. With the help of Sahayanto, I completed it with the help of my friend. According with Anugunanga, his actions agree according with rules. As to Gurinchi, we spoke as to future plans. At the back of Venuka Bhagamlo, the garden is at the back of the house. At the bottom of Diguva Bhagamlo, the signature is at the bottom of the page. At the end of Chivaralo, we clapped at the end of the show. At the top of Paibhagamlo, the flag is at the top of the building. By dint of Karananga, he succeeded by dint of hard work. For the sake of Kosam, she worked for the sake of her family. In connection with Sambandhinchi, police questioned him in connection with the case. In contact with Sampradimpulo, I am in contact with my teacher. In exchange for Baduluga, he gave rice in exchange for wheat. In favor with Abhimanamlo, she is in favor with her boss. In honor of Gauravardham, the event was held in honor of soldiers. In light of Drushtya, in light of recent events, schools closed. In memory of Gnapakardham, they built it in memory of their father. In opposition to Vyatirekanga, he spoke in opposition to the rule. In relation to Sambandhinchi, we discussed in relation to fees. In support of Maddatuga, many people marched in support of farmers. On condition of Sharatupai, I agreed on condition of secrecy. On the edge of Anchuna, the village is on the edge of the forest. On the way to Veltu, I met him on the way to school. Out of control, Niyantranalo lekunda, the fire went out of control. Out of danger, Pramadam nundi bayata, the patient is out of danger now. Out of order, Panicheyani, the machine is out of order. Out of stock, Nilvalo lekunda, the product is out of stock. Over and above Adananga, over and above salary, he got bonus. Prior to that, Daniki Mundu, prior to that, I lived in Hyderabad. Pursuant to Anusarinchi, pursuant to orders, work stopped. Rather than Kakunda, I prefer tea rather than coffee. Subsequent to Taruvata, subsequent to the meeting, changes were made. Together with To Kalisi, she came together with her parents. Under cover of Musugulo, they escaped under cover of darkness. Under the control of Niyantranalo, the area is under the control of police. Under the influence of Prabhavamlo, he drove under the influence of alcohol. Up against Edurkontu, we are up against strong competition. With reference to Sambandhinchi, I am writing with reference to your letter. With respect to Sambandhinchi, we talked with respect to exams. According to plan, Pranalika Prakaram, everything happened according to plan. At peace with Santiga, she is at peace with herself. By chance Yadruchikanga, I met him by chance. For fear of Bhayanto, he stayed silent for fear of punishment. In charge of Badhyatalo, she is in charge of the office. In contrast to Viruddhanga, in contrast to Ravi, Ram is calm. In exchange with Marpidilo, they traded in exchange with neighbors. In line with Anugunanga, the rules are in line with policy. In place beside Pakkana, keep the chair in place beside the table. On time, Samayaniki, the train arrived on time. Out of sight, Kanipinchakunda, the bird flew out of sight. Under discussion, Charchalo, the topic is under discussion. With care, Jagrattaga, handle the glass with care. Within reach, Andubatulo, Success is within reach. Without delay ఆలస్యం లేకుండా, start the work without delay. Ahead of time ముందుగానే, she finished the work ahead of time. Alongside పక్కపక్కన, the car moved alongside the bus. As against తో పోలిస్తే, sales increased as against last year. As far as వరకు, as far as I know, he is honest. As of నాటికి, the rule is active as of today. As well as తో పాటు, she sings as well as dances. Aside from this, దీనిని తప్ప, aside from this, everything is fine. At odds with, విభేదంలో, he is at odds with his brother. Away from home ఇంటి నుండి దూరంగా, he works away from home. Because of this, దీనివల్ల, because of this, we were late. By all means, తప్పకుండా, by all means, help the poor. By heart, కంఠస్థంగా, learn the poem by heart. By mistake, పొరపాటున, I took your bag by mistake. By the side of, పక్కన, stand by the side of your friend. Close by, దగ్గరలో, a hospital is close by. Due to this, దీనివల్ల, due to this, classes were cancelled. Except that, తప్ప, except that one mistake, all are correct. Far away from, చాలా దూరంగా, the station is far away from here. For good, శాశ్వతంగా, he left the city for good. From now on, ఇక ముందు, from now on, study daily. In answer to, సమాధానంగా, he spoke in answer to my question. In back of, వెనుక, the bike is in back of the house. In between, మధ్యలో, he sat in between his parents. In common with, సామ్యంగా, I have much in common with him. In detail, వివరంగా, explain the lesson in detail. In front, ముందు, a car stopped in front of us. In full, పూర్తిగా, pay the amount in full. In general, సాధారణంగా, in general, children like games. In particular, ముఖ్యంగా, I like fruits, in particular apples. In secret, రహస్యంగా, they met in secret. In turn, క్రమంగా, students answered in turn. In vain, వృథాగా, he searched in vain. On board, బోర్డులో, వాహనంలో, all passengers are on board. On duty, విధిలో, the doctor is on duty. On foot, నడిచి, I came on foot. On purpose, ఉద్దేశపూర్వకంగా, she broke it on purpose. On sale, అమ్మకానికి, these books are on sale. On the spot, అక్కడికక్కడే, he answered on the spot. Out of breath, ఊపిరి సలపకుండా, he was out of breath after running. Out of fashion, ఫ్యాషన్లో లేకుండా, that dress is out of fashion. Out of habit, అలవాటుగా, he wakes early out of habit. Out of necessity, అవసరంతో, she worked out of necessity. Over time, కాలక్రమేణా, skills improve over time. Through with, పూర్తి చేసి, I am through with my homework. To and fro, అటు ఇటు, the dog ran to and fro. Under pressure, ఒత్తిడిలో, he works under pressure. Under repair, మరమ్మత్తులో, the road is under repair. Up and down, పైకి కిందికి, he walked up and down the room. With ease, సులభంగా, she solved the problem with ease. Without fail, తప్పకుండా, attend the meeting without fail.